slice carefully along belly midline, from throat to tail base.
Press folded pelts under heavy timber. Place pelts carefully inside insulated containers. Check fur side for tears or bald spots. Attach barcode tag to tail edge. Submerge pelts completely in rehydration bath. Feed pelt flesh side down through fleshing rollers. Brush lime paste evenly across flesh. Pull remaining hair roots by hand. Transfer pelts to liming drum.
Guide pelt through splitting blade.
Immerse grain splits in deliming vat. Add enzymatic bait to softening bath.
Lower pelts into pickle solution.
Charge chrome tanning liquor into drum. Feed wet blue through sammying rollers.
Press leather flat under setting roller. Shave flesh side to exact thickness. Immerse leather in vegetable retan bath.
Pump fat liquor emulsion into drum.
Add acid fixative to dye bath. Run high pressure dye cycle.
Hang leather panels on toggle frames.
Stretch leather across staking blades. Buff flesh surface with fine abrasive. Sort leather by size and grain quality. Feed panels through softening rollers.
Tumble leather in conditioning drum.
Press grain side under heated iron.
Measure thickness at 10 grid points. Mark grade zones with chalk. Position cutting die over prime areas. Skeeve panel edges to feather thickener. Pin panels taut on stretching frames. Mist water evenly across grain. Pull leather back and forth over stake. Pull leather back and forth over stake.
Brush fur gently to lift guard hairs.
Blow compressed air through entire fur.
Inspect fur for defects under bright light.
Stitch tiny tear closed with fine needle.
Blend repaired area with soft brush. Verify panel thickness remains uniform.
Wrap panels individually in tissue paper. Place wrapped panels on storage rack. Scan panels under ultraviolet inspection. Apply final approval stamp to panels.
Brush fur slowly in long strokes.
Fluff fur gently with fingertips.
Examine every edge under magnification.
Vacuum loose hairs from fur surface. Rewrap panels in clean tissue sheet. Arrange panels neatly in humidity cabinet.
Verify cabinet holds 50% relative humidity.
Comb test section to check hair alignment.
Sign final approval on batch record. Hang finished coat on display form. Turn mannequin slowly to show full coat. Check collar seam alignment.
Brush complete coat in long, even strokes.
Slide coat into protective garment bag. Sew authenticity label inside lining. Fold tissue around sleeves and torso. Fold tissue around sleeves and torso.
Position coat inside foam-lined shipping box.
Stack boxes on temperature-controlled pallet. Apply destination and handling lab. Move pallet into climate-controlled holding. Perform final pallet scan and sign-off. Place pallet in designated high bay rack. Allow inventory scanner to log location. Attach forklift tines under pallet base. Roll pallet into reefer truck cargo hold. Secure doors and release shipment.